Wow, this is a game changer. It's so nice and warm and cozy in here. Good shot. I have like an hour left of daylight, so I'm scrambling here. All I got tonight is a big old juicy ribeye. Look at that bad boy. That's gonna be some good eating. I'm just gonna use some of my mango magic. Ooh, a bit too much. Doesn't it look good? Yum. Ooh, can't wait to dig into this. Oh, perfect. Well, it's done. It ain't pretty. And I think there's a certain way you need to do each corner in a certain order. So I'm going to have to look at directions again. But besides that, looks pretty good. I'll let you know if I fly away tonight. Oh, it's a cold, chilly morning. 30 degrees. I believe it's time for some new pair of gloves. What do you think? Ooh. Okay. We almost burned them up, but they're dry. Now we're gonna have a change of pace tonight. No big old ribeyes. Gonna make a, I guess, a vegetarian delight. Some green beans, asparagus, portobello mushrooms. Yeah, I cheated. I got some pre-cut peppers and onions, and boy, they look good. Less work to do. Oh wow, those look good. Maybe I have to try one now. Oh. Almost done. Whew. Just in the nick of time. I'm gonna eat and start a fire in here and I'll get back with you guys later. This is a rather great feature. These guy lines are very reflective, so you definitely not gonna trip or see where you're going. I like it. It is a cozy 62 degrees in here, but it is windy. Oh. Tent, don't fail me now. That wind is kicking out there. Good morning. Whoa. Well, it was a rough night last night. Still is. Wind, at least 25-mile-per-hour winds. Now it's raining. So this is going to be the true test of what this tent can do. And so far it's holding up. The only problem I had was the stovepipe pulled up. I guess the wind caught it. So if anyone knows how to secure that thing clip better to the stove on the bottom, I'd appreciate it. Besides that, it was nice and warm and cozy, but I was afraid of feeding the fire anymore because of the stove pulling up. So anyhow, I'm going to try to pack up here as soon as this wind kind of dies down a little bit, but it doesn't seem to be. As you can hear it and see the tent kind of moving, but she held up pretty good. I was very surprised for a TP tent, my first one. But